Hi everyone, welcome to ITMan channel. I'm Young and excited to have you with me today about Tech Radar. This kind of content I quite enjoy. It's key new and I only had few video about it. You can find out on my channel if you search for Tech Radar. So what is Tech Radar? What does it mean? It's a new technology, something is amazing but it's not ready for production yet. And I want had the overview video about that one. And if you like this kind of content, let me know in the comment. The first project I want to say about Rspack, currently at the time I record this video, is still version 1.0 alpha. And this is a new tool and it got my attention because when I see this one is another Rspack web bundler. And you can see this article, it will be testing for 1 to 2 months, then it will be ready for your using. And they are list other thing on this website, and you can find on rspack.dev. So why I want to share with you guys about this project? Let me show you the homepage. On the homepage, that in the general, a lot of web bundler like this story had this thing. So what is the difference? So first thing, you're gonna see the performance. It's super fast. It has the comparison here. Rspack with Vite and AWC. So you're gonna see this one, the comparison. I guess a few people still use Webpack and Bubble or Webpack and AWC, and you see this with the quite different. And when you're working on the project like this mono report project, a lot of copy, then there's a lot of side time for you. Just when you change something, just few seconds, like half a second to run develop mode, or and when it's change something, it just 90 millisecond and a fully feature. And that's the first thing when I see this one. And also the second thing is called module federation. So this one here, this is another concept I found is quite interesting to me, because if you're working on some monorepo or one has something like micro front end, and this is the way, and if you want to see, you can check out the example. They also had a website about what is this idea, so you can check it out. This is the demo, and you can find out all the thing I mentioned here about module federation. This is the website. They had version 2.0 right now, and they had good video about explain what is this one, why do you want this model. And for the demo, I just tried something very simple, and they gonna explain. I don't want to go over this one, but this is already mentioned on the website. Come back with the webpack, with the fish, with RsBuild. So they go over all the popular bundle right now. So let's take a look at this one. So for the new project, you need to have Node.js at least right now existing, but I will get you long-term version. And for creation, I'm gonna try use Burn because it's fast, right? I'm gonna copy this one. Next, I'm gonna jump to my terminal. And then now I already has my terminal. I'm gonna cd to resource modules. This is where I can have all the thing I want. So I just run this command and let's call RsBuild Demo. I'm gonna urea and I can choose TypeScript. Yes, I use Biome. This is another thing I really enjoy right now. It's ready. So I can cd RsBuild Demo. I can run NI. NI is just a tool I often use. It just let me choose whatever package manager I want to use. So I use Burn. It's ready. And now you see this one is super fast. I can run dep. Now it's ready. So it takes 0.08 seconds, which means 80 milliseconds on my computer. And let us look about this one. What is structure of this one? So let me get in this choice package here. So they had Vim integration and they starting with React 18, and the structure is quite simple. So you see here, this just HRC folder, and then you had one file for configuration. This is the IBuild, and on this project it had React, so it just had one plugin, quite similar with Vite you using that. And then on the application, now you see this one, just one component, and you import CSS, so that CSS supports our purpose, and that's it. And now if you want to build, you're gonna see this one. It's super fast. Yes, because right now it's a simple demo. It might be different with your process, but my feeling this might be a nice big tool for the web developer. One more thing about this iPad here, if you want to migrate, they also had a very good documentation for you to join. For example, if you want to use from create React app to RsBuild, there's one document for you step by step. You can follow along, or you want migrate from Vite. They also have that documentation. So basically, you can just remove, install the iBuild core, migrate from Vite to iBuild, and of course, you need to have a new configuration that the rsbuild.config.ts. And pretty much, I think it's quite similar, and they all has this one for you already. And someone you create React app, yes, you also have that. And something I found quite interesting on this project here, there's a lot of support, for example, modern JS and as this is tool for monorepo. The next one is about Astro. I guess you already know about this tool, this framework. But what is the new here? This is called Server Island. So what is Server Island? This concept from Astro, they have introduced it been a while. So let me take you to this concept if you're new to this one. What does this mean? So look at this screenshot here. This introduce something is called introduce something called interactive UI, and the sidebar, the content, like image, the footer, it would be a static, which means you can build that on the time on your bundle. You run build, and that's already there. And something you want to interact with UIs, for example, the header or the image here. So that's called islands, and which means with this one, you can have the better both from dynamic content and static content at the same time. So the way to do here, this one, when you had the comment on Astro, this will be that client, and then would be on the build time is already there. But you want something interactive, you just say this one will be interactive on the time you render HTML, it will load the components. So what are the benefits of this one? So this, because fast by default, so I don't want to go over this one, but it's overview about Iceland. So what is the new thing now? So the new here, Server Island, it helps you to build something similar, but instead of it use client directives, now you use server defer. So with server defer, it helps you to run this one stream from server to client. And look at this demo. Notice this one more time. You see here, the first time the icon's still there, but when it's ready, it's fetching the real user avatar. So with this one, you can design something about your application for your web app. It has something started, and we will serve from CDN, this green color here, and something else you want to be dynamic content and per user. For example, when server sign in, you see different content, and that's in the red here. So this is the personal content. And notice this one, this idea is still in the design file, which means it's not ready yet, but you can try it out right now with the latest version from Astro 4.2. And if you want to learn more about the technical detail, I would suggest go to IFC. That way they list all the idea and discussion, what is the motivation, what is the technical design, and how it's work, and also something like you can see the discussion, and if you have some idea you can go to here to learn more. And of course, if you use Next.js, you already know they have another idea called partial pre-rendered PBR on Versa. Yep, you know that. And this, a lot of people got high about this project when they had server islands from Astro. I also want to try it out now, but let's see if I have time. Maybe I feel interesting and I can do another demo about this project, maybe next month or whenever it's stable. Thank you, everyone. If you had any feedback about my content, my style, let me know, because I still finding how I can present this idea the best way to present to you guys. Stay tuned. See you next Sunday. Bye bye.